How to use guided visualization to reduce tension. One of the most important techniques used in the treatment of anxiety, stress, and worry is guided visualization. Similar to daydreams, visualizations are an easy way for planning life events in your mind before going out and attempting them for real. Fortunately, once you know the routine, doing guided visualizations are not difficult. First, find a quiet spot where you will not be interrupted by noise, outside distractions, or other people. Clothing should be loose-fitting and comfortable. You can sit upright in a comfortable chair with your feet on the floor and your hands resting loosely upon your lap. Or, if you would prefer, you may lie on your back with your arms parallel to your body. With your spine straight and legs uncrossed, seek balance, making yourself as comfortable as possible. Close your eyes and relax. Begin to concentrate on your breathing as your breath goes in and out. Using your diaphragm, inhale deeply through your nose and hold for 5 seconds before exhaling from your mouth. Again, inhale deeply through your nose and hold for 5 seconds before exhaling from your mouth, feeling any tension leaving your body. Continue for 1 to 2 minutes as you allow any anxiety, stress, or worry to disappear and be replaced with a warm feeling of complete relaxation. The goal of guided visualization is to relax and reduce any negative feelings or sensations tied to anxiety, stress, or worry. This will involve choosing a secret happy place where you are able to feel totally safe and at peace. This relaxing destination can be any place that you desire, real or imagined. Now, try to visualize a secret happy place, wherever that might be for you. In your mind's eye, look at the scene, seeking out all the details, the colors, sounds, tastes, or smells. Totally immerse yourself in this place of absolute peace and relaxation, becoming one with the scene. Allow yourself around 5 minutes to enjoy all that your secret happy place has to offer before bringing yourself back to an alert, wakeful state of mind. If you would like, you can slowly count from 1 to 5, becoming more aware of your surroundings. Upon reaching number 5, you may open your eyes, finding yourself fully awake, alert, and refreshed. The key to effective visualization is to create the most detailed, clear and vivid a picture to focus on. For example, if you were to do a guided visualization of the beach, it would be something like this. Very relaxed, you walk down a long wooden boardwalk to a beautiful, deserted beach. The sun above shines down upon you as you draw ever closer to a sandy shoreline that stretches off to the horizon as far as you can see. With bare feet, you step into the sand, which looks and feels like fine white sugar as it rubs between your toes. Directing your view to the water, you watch as waves gently ebb and flow to a soothing rhythm that draws any tension from your body. The ocean's blue color is easy on your eyes, as your mind empties itself of any stress. On the horizon, the ocean and sky join, seeming to continue on forever as a slight breeze tugs at your hair. Taking a deep breath, you are aware of the fresh, salty smell of the sea air that is in perfect harmony with the ocean, sand, sky, and day. Continuing to slowly walk along the sandy shore, you watch as palm trees gently sway in the warm breeze that continues to blow gently upon your cheeks. The sun is warm as its rays penetrate your neck, shoulders, torso, and legs, working to further banish any remaining tension from your muscles. You are at total peace in your own secret happy place, far away from any anxiety, stress, or worry. Closing your eyes, you listen to the rhythmic sound of the surf as each wave continues to ebb and flow against the white sandy shoreline. You continue to feel the warmth of the sun upon your body as well as the gentle sea breeze. Opening your eyes again, the scene before you are like paradise on earth and yours alone to enjoy. Peace. Tranquility. Any tension. Gone. After you've taken several minutes to enjoy this absolute bliss, you return to the wooden boardwalk and slowly leave the shoreline behind. Stepping forward, you begin to come back to an alert, wakeful state of mind. Counting from 1 up to 5, you become more in tune with your body and surroundings. Begin to gently move your hands and feet as you continue to become more alert. At this point, you are now fully awake, alert, and free of tension. While guided visualization is relaxing in its own right, it can also be combined with other stress management techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation for maximal effect. In addition, It gives you the chance to use your imagination in getting rid of negative emotions and replacing them with positive feelings of rest and relaxation. Best of all, as your unconscious mind truly believes what you visualize as being real, you can use this powerful exercise across every part of your life, thereby greatly improving the chance that the imagined images will actually come to pass in reality. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.